This beautiful turquoise water. Ooh. Oh man, amazing beach here, and all across Tobago. There's dozens and dozens of these. I'm gonna find a couple more. That was one of my favorite all-time natural experiences, was hooking up in Mexico, southwestern Mexico. Can't remember the city name right now, but hooked up with a local non-for-profit organization that helps the turtles, and yeah, we were able to put some hatchlings out on the beach, and they watched them run into the water. It was wonderful. There was lots of kids and families, and all the money that they charged for the tickets goes back into their program to help preserve these turtles. So that was something I would highly recommend if you guys are ever on a tropical trip and they have that option available. Sign up for it. You'd get a thrill, I promise you. And you can see that in my Mexico episode if you're interested. Incredible. This is a great way to spend an hour or so every day, if not more, but I love it. Love to, yeah, always love to finish my days on the beach. Not always, but often I like to start with a walk as well, just a half hour, an hour. Just enjoy the beauty, the nature, the peace. Sometimes I throw on music, a lot of times I don't. I just like listening to the waves crash, and yeah, it's a very, very relaxing, soothing thing for me. Listen to that sound. Vitamin C, I call it, SEA, and man, oh man, you can't beat it. All right, let's dive in to a lovely lunch here. I'm just about to get on a boat tour around Pigeon Point, or leaving from Pigeon Point here. But either way, let's dive in. Got incredible shrimp tacos. Let's put a little pepper sauce on it. I love that sauce. And yeah, let's dive in. All right, this looks great, smells good. Oh, it's nice. There's like 4 big shrimp per taco. That pepper sauce just, boom, seals it. Gives it that Caribbean feel. It's full of cheese, full of little bit of lettuce, a little bit of tomatoes. Really, really liking it. My boat is pulling up here. I'm a little behind, as the kitchen was a bit behind, but gonna stuff my face, get out there and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Cheers. Nice, beautiful shrimp. Sauced up. Hey all, sorry to pause the video right here. I just need to ask a big favor from all of you. So currently only about 10% of the people watching these videos are actually subscribed. So it'd be a huge help for me on my goal to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. If you could hit that subscribe button down below, tell a friend, tell a family member, that's how this channel grows, and I can achieve my goal that much quicker. That being said, it's not just for me. So every time my subscriber count doubles, I will be giving out a prize pack. So just gave one out at 8,000. Can't wait to give one out at 16,000, 32,000, etc. So again, please hit that button down below. Tell a friend, tell a family member, and you could be one of the lucky people to receive a nice prize pack. Stay golden, all. The incredible nylon pools, or nylon pools they call them here. So basically a massive sandbar in the middle of the sea here, and yeah, it's only maybe up to maybe 4 feet tops, and it's perfect for people to jump in, myself included. Didn't have the water feature on today, so didn't show you the it's perfect. Good living here in Tobago. Smart businessman, floating bar right there. Let's go try it out. So again, wonderful barman right there, a couple beer. But something else, if you do come on one of these trips, you can bring your own cooler, which amazed me. So A few of the families here brought a cooler with probably 20-25 of their own drinks. As you see there, a big bottle of vodka, soda, water, etc. So that can save you a lot of money. That's something you don't see at a lot of places, so that's a nice feature. You can bring your own, but a drive-up boat bar in the middle of the ocean is also a wonderful thing. So cheers to that. What a spot. Beautiful Tobago. There are hundreds of beaches like this, maybe not hundreds, dozens I'll say, of beaches like this across this island. Highly encourage you to come check it out. Very different vibe than Trinidad, much more relaxed and chill and nature-esque or nature forward, however you want to put it. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Love Trinidad as well, but this is nice and chill. I would highly encourage you to do both if you are coming to this beautiful part of the world. And to get into Tobago, quite easy, either by boat. You can take a private boat or a ferry, or by plane. I did the plane, $60 US return, and that included a piece of luggage, check luggage both ways. So in my opinion, dirt cheap, super easy, super convenient. But yeah, tons to do here and see, and again, just yeah, add it to your itinerary is my recommendation. Oh man, I can't stop smiling face to face. I don't keep score in my travels, but I'm telling you, Trinidad and Tobago has set the bar exceptionally high with the hospitality, the friendliness. I just got another free ride from the boat tour I was on. The restaurant owner, he's like, yeah, I'll drive you back into town. These taxi drivers are gonna rip you off. So my lord, I've had a lot of good people taking care of me here. It's been wonderful, and I can't say enough good things. Please take this video as a recommendation to come to Trinidad and Tobago. Phenomenal people, phenomenal nature. If you want to have the best part of your life, come for Carnival. If you want some incredible nature, come to Tobago. But it's just a beautiful, beautiful place, and the people's hearts are full, and my heart is full from this experience so far. It's been blessing on blessing on blessing. So thank you, truly appreciate it. Hey, thanks so much for watching another episode of Travel with Carter. I'm taking off here from Tobago, back to Trinidad, back to Toronto, back to British Columbia for work. But had an absolute blast here during Carnival. Amazing people, so much fun dancing. I'm still a little raspy, as you can hear my voice. Deaf for another week probably, but the rhythm was unbelievable, and highly recommend you guys coming, checking it out, and I hope this video inspires you too. Again, if you are enjoying what you're watching, please hit that subscribe button down below. Tell a friend, tell a family member. That's how this channel grows, and I can continue my goal to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. I'm getting there, and it's all because of you guys and your support. So appreciate it. Stay golden all.